In this quick video, I want to show you how to clear a paper jam on your Brother MFC-L2710DW. I'll show you every single ways on how to remove the stock paper that is inside of your printer, because there's many different locations where you can get access to your stock paper. So let's get started. Okay, so once you get the paper jam, what I recommend is that you unplug your printer from the wall outlet. Do not simply turn it off. Go ahead and unplug it. I also suggest you do not try to attempt anything for the next 2 minutes. Let it cool down. This printer, when it's printing, it's getting very warm inside, very hot, and I don't want you to burn your fingers. Then let's start with the front. You can remove the paper cassette, pull it completely out, and check over here to see if there's any stock paper through those rollers or on the sides. If you see anything, take your fingers or a tweezer and remove them. You can also check the paper cassette to see that everything is fine, nothing is folded the wrong way. Then the second part where we can check is over here. Open this door where your cartridge is located, take it out, and take the toner out by pressing this small lever. Look under it, look everywhere to see if there's any debris of paper, anything that got stuck on it. Look over here as well. If everything is okay, put it back. Make sure you click it in place. Whoops. Okay. And take a look inside of the printer. Again, maybe with a flashlight, to see if you don't find any stock paper, any debris. If you don't see anything, go ahead and insert this back. Put back the paper cassette. And let's go on the back of the printer. So over here we are on the back, and you're gonna notice you have a small handle here. Pull it towards you, and it will open this way. You're gonna have a better look inside of the printer, and again, if you see anything wrong, take out the paper, take out the debris, the paper that may get stuck in these wheels or whatever. It's great we have access to the back. Hopefully after doing this, you found the paper that was stuck, you removed it, and now we can simply connect back the printer and start printing again. It should allow you. If you're still having the issue, check where the paper output is over here. Sometimes the paper could get stuck. It's very rare, but it can get stuck where it exits the printer. Same thing with the top document feeder. You can lift this small part here, sorry, like that. You see, you were able to lift it. And check if there's no paper stuck, especially here where the roller is and where the paper exits the scanner over there. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.